Okay, so my preparation sort of worked. I know there's probably snow in there. And then like, their water didn't freeze. These guys are pissed. They are pissed. They're hiding behind that stuff. Yelling for the manager and the geese. They're pissed too. Let's see the inside. I bet there's snow on the inside. Oh goodness. Hi! Oh, hi! Everyone in here angry? Yes, they are angry. They are angry. They got snow. It come right through the doors. As expected. A little on the ceiling. It's bad. Not too bad. Here, have some light, guys. There you go.